Alright, so this is video number 2 in how to install HMMER. As part of HMMER, we also need to install another program called Muscle. And the Muscle program allows us to make multi-sequence alignments, which we'll need later on in HMMER. And here you can see this figure kind of gives a oversimplified example of what we're trying to do here. So we'll say, for example, we have a Drosophila genome here, and we'll say we don't know where this gene is within the genome, this gene P4501A1, and so we're searching for that in the genome. Of course, this is a silly example because the Drosophila genome is fully annotated, but just for simplicity purposes, this is the example we're using. So first step, we download HMMER, then we download Muscle. Then the third step will be we go out and we find this gene sequence from different papers or from different websites like BLAST or SwissProt. And then we use these sequences along with Muscle to create a multi-sequence alignment. And then from there, we use HMMER to input our gene of interest along with the .HMM files we built, and then that will give us a search result and let us know where that sequence is at in the genome. Okay, so moving on, to do that, this next step we need to install Muscle. So for that we go to drive5.com. I'll bring this down so you can see here. Drive5.com, we click Muscle, then we click Muscle version 3, download. I will be using this Linux link here, so I'm going to go ahead and copy link, go back to Linux operating system, and we do our wget command like we used in the last video for HMMER. Then we go ahead and ls, and we can see our Muscle there file again, and then you remember we unzip it, so gunzip, and then ls again just to make sure we're on the right track, and then from there we tar-xf Muscle, and then you can see that it's installed here, that's in green. So that was a quick video, and that takes care of step number 2. Our next step will be to go through and collect the gene sequence data, and for that I found another video that's already created, so I'm just going to go ahead and link that in the description, but it goes over, let's see, it goes through, it's this video here going through how to locate gene sequences. So I'll link that video in the description, and then if you follow that and find your gene sequences, we'll pick up again in video number 3 where we'll do a HMMER build, and then we will hopefully identify where our gene is located in our genome of interest. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.